Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Lite smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu, then scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the language option and tap on it. And here you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through the list of languages by swiping up and down on the screen. Now find the language you like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And as you can see, the language changed. Let's bring it back to English quickly, like that. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.